The BJP central leadership has once again placed major trust in Odia leaders ahead of crucial assembly elections. Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan has been appointed the election in charge for the upcoming Bihar, where polls are scheduled in November. Likewise, BJP National Vice President and Kendrapada MP Baijan Panda has been entrusted with the role of election in charge for strategically important Tamil Nadu, where assembly polls are due next year, likely to be held in April-May. Time and again, Panda has proved his mettle with outstanding results for the party. Earlier, Panda had been assigned organizational responsibilities in Delhi and had also served as in charge for the assembly elections there. After successfully strategizing against Kejriwal government and ensuring the BJP's lotus bloomed in Delhi after many years, the party's top leadership has shown increased confidence in him. In 2022, Panda was also in charge of the Manipur elections, where he emerged as a game changer and brought BJP back to power. He has also successfully handled responsibilities in Assam and Uttar Pradesh. Considering his experience and track record, the party has now entrusted him with Tamil Nadu. The assembly polls there are likely in April-May next year, where dislodging the Stalin government will be a big challenge for him.
केंद्र ओडिशा को बहुमात्रा गुरुत्व दौची से मंत्रिमंडल रे प्रतिनिधित्व करवा हो सांगठनिक क्षेत्र में दायित्व देवा कथा हो सब दृष्टि विचार कले एबे बिहार निर्वाचन पर केंद्र शिक्षा मंत्री धर्मेंद्र प्रधान एवं केंद्रीय उपसभापति बैजयंत पंडा को तमिलनाडु दायित्व